Hey everybody, Luann here with another Tip Tuesday. I want to talk about being able to order really quickly for something. So let's say we've got this wedding and this client is just doing a 20-person ceremony and reception in the backyard. They're going to only have 20 guests. So they want a bouquet and they want a bridesmaid bouquet, and then all they're looking for are three centerpieces that are going to go down a long table. Instead of having three separate columns, you can create one column and you can do a table for 20 with three arrangements like I have here. And so we're going to just take a quick look at the recipe. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of make this compact so we could take a look at what we've got here. Right now, we're going to do 6 amaryllis, 20 astilbe, 38 carnations, 3 silver dollar bunches of greenery. And so the cost is 156.26 with my 30% labor fee included and $60 for supplies. I'm going to do $20 per vase. I'm going to let the client keep the vase. The vase costs me 10, so I'm going to charge her 20 for each one. And so there's three vases here that are a total of $60. That's taken off so that I can make sure that I'm including that in the price of my recipe. And it is telling me that my retail value is $669.41. So I've decided I'm going to charge my client $750 for all three. That's three arrangements in one recipe. And so now when I go ahead and make these designs, what I can do is put 2 amaryllis in each design. I can put, 20 astilbe. So if I want to put 10 astilbe in one arrangement, and then I just want to put 5 in each of the others, maybe I make the one in the center a little bit fuller with astilbe because that's where the bride and groom are going to be sitting. I've got 38 carnations just to fill in and 3 bunches of greenery. So maybe the two arrangements on the ends have a bunch each or a bunch and a half each, and then the one in the middle has a little less greenery. I can mix and match my designs because what I've done is built one recipe for all three arrangements. Now, if I want them to be exactly the same, I can just adjust my recipe. So maybe instead of 20 astilbe, I would want 15 because I want 5 in each. So I could go ahead and change that. But what you can do is by doing it this way, you can maximize the use of your flowers. So we know that astilbe comes in bunches of 10. And so if I buy 15 astilbe and I'm not using them and I'm not using them anywhere else in the wedding, excuse me, then what I want to do is buy 20 stems and put them into the cost of this wedding. And so what I can do here is just do 20. And if there's one or two that are broken or damaged, I can leave those out. I've got a little bit of wiggle room. I'll have some extra flowers based on my wholesaler and grower counts. So I don't have to worry about that too much. I hope that it's helpful to show you guys that you can do multiple arrangements in one recipe order, and then you can go ahead and design and break them up as you go. So that way you have the ability to have a little bit of creative freedom and fun with something that you kind of want to have a little natural variation in each arrangement. So you don't have to go through and create three separate recipes for this in three separate columns. You can do it all in one. Thanks for joining me for Tip Tuesday. I hope this was helpful. And if you have any questions, reach out and let me know.